Okay, hello everyone. Let's try a medium Sudoku. This is also from the New York Times. So what I usually do is I take the grid shown here, then I put it into another puzzle setter like this one, and I do a quick one-off to make sure that everything looks good. Rows 3, column 6, and then we're off and running. Okay, so normally what I do here is I look at things with 5 digits in it. Now, there aren't that many, and the only one of the few is column 1, box 7, this being column 1, this being box 7, and also row 8. I'm going to fill those in first, because I should be able to get some writing digits out of that. So what I'll do is I'll highlight everything that's empty and say what digits can they not be? Well, they can't be anything that's placed. So 1, 3, 6, 7, 8 are off the table. That leaves 2, 4, 5, and 9 yet to be placed. Now, this one can't be 2 or 9 by box or 4 by what's in the row. That's actually a right in 5. And I get a digit right off the bat, just like that. So these digits are not 5. And this one can't be 5 either. But 2, 4, 9, this could still be anything. This is not 9. That's not 5. Okay, that gives me 5 digits out of 9 in box 1, so I'm going to go there next. 2, 5, 6, 7, 9 are placed. I need 1, 3, 4, and 8 to fill it out. This cell is good. This cell is not 4 or 8. This one, I think, can be anything for the same reasons this one can. This one, yep, that can be anything, because there's nothing else in column 3. Okay, in row 8, I've got 1, 3, 4, 5, 8 placed. I need 2, 6, 7, 9 to fill it out. Anyway, this one cannot be 6 or 9, but could be 2 or 7. This is not 2. This is not 9. This is also not 9, but I don't get much else to go on. Oh, this isn't 6. See, this can't be 9, this can't be 9, that can't be 9. This is a 9 by force. Okay, that means this isn't 9. Now I've got a 2, 4 pair in column 1. There's the 9 in column 1. Okay, these cells cannot be 1, 3, 5, 6, 9, or 2. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9 are placed. They're from some form of 4, 7, and 8. But that could be anything. So 8 is in one of these two. These two could be any of those 4, 7, 8 candidates. So since 8 is forced here, 8 cannot be here. in box 1 because the 8 must be in column 3 in box 7. What that means is there's only one place left for an 8 in box 1 right there. Okay, what does that do? Not much. Let's see, in column 2, I have 5, 6, 8, 9 placed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 to fill it out. This is not 1. This can be just about anything. This is not 7. Okay, in row 3, I've got 4 digits. Let's see if I can do something with the rest. 2, 4, 5, 8 placed. 1, 3, 6, 7, 9 to fill it out. This can be anything. This is not 9. This is not 1 or 9. This is not 3 or 6. Let's see, are there any other digits I can write in? One is in the top row of row 7, because that's the only place it can go in box 8. Um, 5 there and 5 there mean 5 has to go in the top of row 7, but it can't go here because of this 5, so this must be a 5 and this must be a 5. Well, these are the only two places for 1 and 5. So this can't be 1. This has just turned into a 1-5 pair, actually. And that will greatly help with the rest of the digits. I essentially have 1, 3, 5, 6 placed. 3 and 6 by given, 1 and 5 by the only two placements in row 7. Excuse me. So I need 2, 4, 7, 9, and 8. Okay, this is not 9. Neither is that. 7 or 8. Oh, this can't be 8. Well, I just placed a 9 in row 7. This is the only spot for it. Okay, that gives me 5 digits in column 8. Let's go there next. 1, 4, 7, 8, 9 placed. Whoops, I can't highlight things for some reason. 2, 3, 5, 6 left. This can be anything. This one is not 6. That's not 6. That's not 3 or 5. Two different ways it can't be 3, and two different ways it can't be 5. And see, 1, 3, 5, 8, 9. This is 2, 4, 6, or 7. But rule 6 out, and this ends up being 2, 4, 7. Okay, in row, what am I looking at? 4. I have 1, 5, 6, and 9. I need 2, 3, 4, 7, and 8 to fill it out. This one can't be 2. This can still be anything. This one is neither 3 nor 8. That can unfortunately be just about anything. Hmm. Let's see. In row 6, I have 7, 8, 9. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is not 2. This is not 5 or 4. This isn't 3 or 5. That one's not 1, but could be anything else, and I'm really hoping I don't have to fill the entire grid, but I might have to. Yeah, I'm wondering why I don't have more headway 10 minutes in. This is very discouraging. But box 8, I have a 1-5 pair in the box. Oh, and this can't be 4 because it's a given. I should have known that. Alright, I've got 1, 3, 4, 5 already placed. 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. To fill this out, this can be anything, this can be anything. This is neither 8 nor 9. Oh, this is not 9. Let's see, 7, 8, 9 across the top in row 1. I'm gonna go there next. I need all the lower digits. This is not 4. This is not 5. This is not 1. This one I actually get some headway on because it can't be 3, 5, or 6. Or 4, actually. This can't be 4 because it's in the box. Oh, that's not 9. Let's see, this cell is the only one left in column 3 that hasn't been filled out yet. It cannot be 2 or 9, or 8. But 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Any of these things are possible. Boo hiss grumble grumble. Okay, this 6, that could never have been 6. Same with that. This can't be 7. Well, this can't be 1. Let's see, this one can't be 3, 5, 6, or 9. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, or 9. Okay, this is 2 or 8 from the looks of it. Right, this one can't be 1 by box, 3, 5, 6 by column, 7, 9 by box, and 6 also by column, so yeah. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9 are out. 2, 8, along with 4, are still possible. Fortunately, this cell could still be 8. But this cell cannot be 3, 5, 6, or 9, but 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, and then I take out 4 because it's in the box. But 1, 2, 7, 8 are all possibilities. Now, this cell can't be 9, this one could be 9, but this one can't be, this one can't be. And that one can't be because it's in the box. So actually, I just placed 9 in column 9 by filling out the rest of the column. Okay, this is the only thing left. In box 3 that's left to be filled, it cannot be 4, 6, or 9, or 1. But 2, 3, 5, 7, 8 are very much still possibilities. Let's see. 3, 5 means this can't be 3 or 5. So this is down to 2 or 4. But that's a 2, 4, and that's a 2, 4, but I can't do anything else with it. Erg. Let's see. I've got way too many possibilities for a lot of other digits, don't I? In the central part of row 5, which has not yet been filled in, it cannot be 5 or 9. Well, I got way too many possibilities. This one isn't 4. This one can be just about anything. This one, I can take 3 or 8 out. But 1, 2, 4, 6, 7 are very much still possibilities now. This one can't be 8. These ones can't be 8. No, this is not 8. Let's see. I've isolated 5 correctly down to these two. Let's see, and everything across row 2, and that better give me something. It cannot be 6, 8, or 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 are all possibilities. This is not 4. This is not 5. This isn't 3. Just about anything else is possible. Hmm. Let's see. These can't be one. These can't be one. One is forced into the very top corner of box 3. Doesn't do me a whole lot of good, though. I have 3 nines in my top 3 rows. But 7, 6, 5, 2, 8, 4. I've only got one of those. Let's see. In my columns, there's a 6 and there's a 6. 6 has to be on the right in box 4. But it can't go here because of this 6. 6 is now forced into these two, and this is now a de facto 5-6 pair. Which doesn't do me a whole lot of good. Okay, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 5. I've done that. Nines, I have all 8s. I've done that. See, I have 3s. I got 1s. Yeah, there's my 1-5 pair in row 7. I need some other breakthrough to show up, and I'm not seeing one. Irritatingly. I got all my 9s, though, in my middle 3 rows. Dang it. I got all the 9s in my columns. I just forced the 1. Okay, I think that's right. 2, 4, 7, 8s. 3, 4, 7, and that's 1, 3, 4. Mm. What else can I do here? I'm really struggling with this one for some reason. I really thought I was going to have more digits by now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 in box 6. What's irritating is I've got 2/3 of a 2, 4, 7 set here. This one can't be anything but 2 or 6. This is 2/3 of a 2, 3, 5 set. Well, I'm going to have to make some interesting assumptions here. 4 in box 1 can only go in one of these two places, so one of these must be a 4. And I think by acclamation that means this can't be a 4 in box 7. Neither can that, so these are 7, 8. This 7, 8 now looks up here. This can't be 4 because I placed the 4 in one of two places in box 1, and it can't be 7 because of the pair I just made, so I think by elimination that just became a 3. Now that's a 3, these aren't 3, and so these are a 1-4 pair. Whoops. This 1-4 pair means that's a 3. So these are not 3. And this is not 3. See, none of these are 3. Oh, 7, 8 tells me this cell can't be 7, so that's a 2. Now, this is not 2. Neither is that. Okay, but a 6, 7 pair in column 7. That means nothing else in that column can be a 6 or a 7, so that's not 7. That's not 7, that's not 6. Thought that was going to do a little bit more, but I don't think it did. I still have way too many possibilities. For like 2 and unfortunately 7 could still be in different rows. Oh, okay. That 2 tells me that's a 4, which tells me that's a 2. Let's see. This 2, none of these are 2. Well, actually, okay, this 4 piggies back over here. That's a 2. Which tells me that's 6. And whoops. If my markings are right, that's a 6, which makes that 7. That's 4. This 4 comes up here. That's a 2. This can't be 2 or 4. This is an 8. Let's see. This can't be a 2 two different ways. And this can't be a 2. And that can't be a 2. And I just placed an 8, so this can't be 8 either. And because of the 3, I actually know that's a 4. By acclamation, this is not 4. Whoops. That's not 4, and I know that's a 7. That's not 7. 7 comes back over here. Ah, that's a 2. That's an 8. I'm going to get rid of a whole bunch of digits here. None of these are 2. And these are 8. This isn't 2 either. This 7 will go a long way towards filling up box 8, because that's a 6. That's a big 6. So none of these are 6. D, that's a 9. I think that's forced. This 2 comes down here. I believe that's 7. That means this can't be 7. That's an 8. That's a 2. That 8 comes up here. That's a 7. Here, that's an 8. Let's see. This is not 6. Okay. Well, that goes a long way towards filling out the rest of this grid. I now have a 2, 3, 5 triple right here in box 3. That means no other cell in this box can be 2, 3, or 5, so that's forced to be an 8. So this is not 8. And this can't be 2, this can't be 2, so that's a 1, which makes that 7. That's now a 6. This is not 2. Well, as soon as I get the 3 5s all sorted out, the right third of the grid's done. Let's see what else I can do here. None of these are 7. Let's see, this can't be 2, this can't be 2. That can't be 2 either, but 1, 4, and 5 are very much still possible. Let's see, so I've got an X-wing on 2s. They're either going to be diagonally like that or like that. When all is said and done, one five. I can't fill anything out with that. Pooh, his grumble. Okay, this 6 tells me neither of these are sticks. Okay, 1 7 is going to go a long way towards eliminating a lot of the other possibilities. None of these can be 1 because of the pair I just made. These can't be 1 either. Let's see, this can't be 6. That's not 6. So 3 4. Pair. Crucially, this can't be 4. This is now forced to be a 5. This can't be 5 because I just placed it, or 3 because of part of the 3 4 pair I just made, so there's my 2. That tells me 2 goes here in box 3 because I've solved that X-wing. This is not 2. This 5 will tell me that's a 3. Yeah, and that's a 5, which tells me that's a 3, and that's a 5. Five tells me that's a 6. Whoops. 6, that's 5. Let's see. This cell cannot be 2, I just placed it. 5, I just placed it. And 3 because of the pair, so that just became a 6. Okay, this 1 4 is sorted out because of that one, so that's a 4. 4 1 tells me that's a 3, that's a 4. Can't do much else, can I? Well, that 5 is going to come down here, and that'll fill out the rest of it, I think. That's a 1, that's a 5. Now, crucially, this being a 1 tells me these are not 1. And this can't be 7 either, because I just placed it, and it can't be 6 because I just placed it. So that's been reduced to a 4. That's 6. This is not 6. Neither is that. This 4 piggybacks over here. That's a 1, that's a 4. These just became a 3 7 pair, and this 3 will sort that out. That's 7. That's 3, which tells me that's 1. And that's 7, and that's 1. And that's it. So now all I have to do is finish my highlighting, and I'm all done. Hallelujah. Yeah, the key here, which took me a while to see, was the triple I needed to get. But once I got that, I was golden. Cool.